Yo, what's up, guys? Teacher Bulov here, and today we are reacting to a coffee request. This is from Travis. Travis says, The Living End. So we have covered the Aussie rock basics besides Spiderbait. So this is The Living End. This is the second time we're reacting to it. The first one that we did was the second. The first was the second. Second, what was the name of the song? Second solution. Second solution. There we go. Second solution. And now we're gonna watch White Noise. I hope we're not gonna listen to White Noise. Can you imagine if it's just a 4-minute video with White Noise? The name of the song is White Noise. Guys, come join us on Twitch. We're having a lot of fun here. We're doing the Aussie Hour every day from Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. Queensland time, where you show me some Aussie songs. Show me something new, whether it's good, whether it's bad. You show me your best or show me worst, but show me something, okay? Don't show me bad stuff. Let's go. Wait, Travis is in the chat, isn't he?
Trouble right now. Time stands still when you're around. I gave you all my time, and you gave me all your lies, and you just come around to say goodbye. Now here we stand with our hearts in our hands, squeezing out all the lies. All that I have is a message unclear. What else is there to decide? All that I'm hearing from you is white noise.
This is pretty cool. White Noise. Very catchy, very fast to learn the song, I would say. Wasn't I thought they were a punk band, but it was the last song was just really punk, but this one is different.
Making excuses, it's not you, it's us. But how can something unspoken seem so loud? And now all that I'm hearing from you is white noise.
This is pretty awesome. White Noise. Dang. I love the chorus here.
All that I'm hearing from you is white noise. All that I'm hearing from you is white noise. White noise.
It does sound like it's an offensive thing to say, though. Imagine if someone gives you that comeback. Like, hey, all I'm hearing is white noise. That is so awesome. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night to white noise? The TV's on. It's quite creepy. Man, can you imagine if you're talking to someone and then they reply to you in white noise? I would be freaked out. But anyways, I get what he's saying. I get what he's saying, obviously. So it's kind of like a talk to the hand song. It's pretty cool. I like that, especially the chorus. I think the chorus is pretty awesome. It's very catchy. I found myself singing to it after listening to it only once. All I'm hearing from you is white noise. White noise. That's so cool. Do TV stations have white noise these days? I don't think it does. I think it still does. It still has the color bars, depending on that. But no, nowadays I think they add more kind of like commercials or something. In the middle of the night, like this TV has or this channel has stopped broadcasting, stuff like that. But I don't know if it has white noise. But on YouTube, we do have white noise videos. So yeah. With that said, guys, thank you for watching. Go over to Buy Me a Coffee if you want to request a video just like Travis did. Click over here, or yeah, just click over here to see more videos from Australia, I guess. And join us on Twitch. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.